How to cancel NordVPN Premium Subscription. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, open a browser that you prefer in your PC or your mobile device and search for NordVPN or go to nordvpn.com. You will be redirected to the official webpage of NordVPN. If you are using your mobile device, tap on the three-dot icon at the very top and tap on Desktop Site. Once it is switched to Desktop Site, go ahead and refresh your web page. At the very top, you should see a three-line icon, so you have to go ahead and tap on it. From all of this option, go ahead and select Log In. Select the option of Billing Information right under Quick Access. Now you will find your billing history right here, but you have to tap on the subscription option to go ahead and cancel your NordVPN Premium. You will see something like this. In here, you can even change your plan, or you can even cancel your auto renewal. You just have to go ahead and select the option of cancel so that it can prevent the auto renewal. And voila, just like that, you have cancelled your NordVPN Premium subscription. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.